Oh yes it is. It's the Rainforest adventure ride time, guys. There's the waterfall volcano for the Rainforest Cafe. One of the few Rainforest cafes that haven't gone out of business. But we're here. The Rainforest River Adventure Ride. That's a great entrance, gotta admit, to experience the new Rainforest Adventure Ride. So hopefully it's been improved. Oh, hi, I'm Rob Zipp and you're watching The Rob Zipp Show. And I'm going on the Rainforest River Adventure Ride. Apparently it's new and improved. I don't know how long ago they did that, but it's been 5 years since I've been here. So I think I'm gonna be by myself. Today is on a Monday, and it's Monday. God, and but you're not gonna see this till a few days later. So they said yesterday, Sunday, there was an hour wait. So I'm gonna ride this by myself, and I'm gonna give you my commentary. Other people have done ride videos, and they just do silent. I'm gonna give you my commentary. So join me, and let's have one of those Rainforest River adventures. All right, I'm in. It's just me. I'm not gonna face me, but yeah. All right, here we go. That was a little jolt. I don't plan on getting wet. I've got it on the ultra wide lens. So I think this is all new. I don't remember any of this. But I was here 5 years ago and needed some work. Oh. Whee! The video projections look nice. Well, except for where it's cut off. That could use some work. The volcano is spewing. You can see the projector. You can see the projector. We got the cats. Jaguar. Oh. That's cool. That's fun. See the Jaguars running across. This needed an update, so I'm glad they updated it. Kyle, I know you love this ride. Have you been here since they've added all the projection stuff? Uh-oh. He's got a blow dart. Oh, there's a Jaguar over there. It's not moving. Hey, monkey, just hanging out. Whee! Monkey's heads move. He's like looking at the banana, looking at you, looking at you, looking at the banana. Yep, there's a monkey hanging out. I would not want to wait an hour for this ride. Tillman Fertitta has the money to build a new theme park. This ride is fun. Build 10 more of these somewhere, and you could charge admission, theme park admission. Whoa, uh-oh. Almost got us. Monkeys, you're supposed to warn us. There's that giraffe that was missing. It was here in the river forest, the Rainforest River Ride adventure all along. There we go, got the new Rainforest River Adventure. Oh, it feels nice. There's the air conditioner vent right there. Feels great. Uh-oh. There's a waterfall. We're gonna get wet. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there's alligators down there. Crocodiles. It's rainforest, it'll be crocodiles. See by their pointy snouts. The elephants are trying to warn us that there are crocodiles. It's got red eyes. It's possessed. You got some rhinos hiding there. Oh, that one's angry. Hungry, hungry hippo over there. Buzzard. The temple. This temple is cool. Oh, look at all the tigers. Whoa. Look at that one right there. He's pawing at me. Oh, there's a snake in there too. Look at the cubs just having fun. We're going into the temple. Snakes? Why's it gotta be snakes? I hate snakes. Whoa. Make a lick a high, make a hiney ho. Make a lick a high, make a finey ho. Oh, they got all the projection. Cobwebs. That is super cool. I love that. Oh, look at the snake fountain. Oh, one of them fell down. And we come to the end. Oh, and there's the treasure. There's the casket with the treasure. That's it. We exit through the gift shop. That's it. We're gonna exit through the gift shop. I don't know unless they have something that says new river adventure pen. Like, let me get that. Last time I came here 5 years ago, they didn't have any pins for the ride, and I went to a little store in Fort Lauderdale, and I found one there, so I have one. So we'll see. They did ask me if I wanted to get a photo. I was like, no, don't need the photo. I do have t-shirts. That is super cool. Of course, they didn't have my size. It's okay, I don't need another t-shirt anyway, but still think it's cool they have it. With a big aquarium in the gift shop. They even have a volcano in here. All right, they did not have any pins, but it's okay, I already have one. Oh, thank you, sir. Hold the door open for me. Yeah, so they improved the ride. It's better than it was. Of course, my glasses instantly fog up. So yeah, is it worth $10? Sure, sure. If you're down in Galveston, you don't mind, go for it. The projections look nice. So I'm glad I came. Kyle, I hope you like this. And yeah, until next time, tschüss.
My name is Tracy Tree. Are you hungry? We have great food. Did you know that our rainforest has its very own sparkling volcano? It's so big, the whole family can share it. Yum, yum.